Welcome. Today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I'll show you how you can change speech voice. So we have to go for the settings at the first. Next we have to click on the time and the language. Go for the speech. And here we can choose a voice. So currently it's set on the Microsoft David, and here we can tap to preview that voice.
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
We can switch, for example, for Caroline.
Vous avez sélectionné Microsoft Caroline comme voix par défaut.
And this place we are also able to speed up that voice.
Vous avez sélectionné Microsoft Caroline comme voix par défaut.
Or slow down.
Vous avez sélectionné.
And as you can see here we got a lot of voices that we can set up. But I'm going to stay with Microsoft David at 11 speed.
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.